This exact TikTok video that's playing right now made the brand that I was working with over 30k on TikTok Shop. Yeah, that's right, you heard me. And guess what? There was not a penny spent on ads. There was nothing to do with Meta, Instagram, nothing. It was just one video uploaded onto TikTok. And the crazy thing is that I was just one of many creators promoting this product on TikTok at the time. So they probably made an absolute shed load. Now in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the exact process of how I came up with the idea for this video, how I filmed it, how I scripted it, everything that you need to know so that if you are a brand owner, you can direct your own creators or you can even make the content yourself in order to get similar results. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, my name is Jansen and I help brand owners start from scratch or even scale to the moon on every single platform out there: Amazon, TikTok, Shopify, you name it. But in this video, we're just going to be covering TikTok Shop. All right, so as I just mentioned, this TikTok video here that I produced helped to generate the brand tens of thousands in revenues. And what is really cool is that they didn't need to spend a penny on ads, and the product that they were selling, the product that I was talking about in this video, wasn't really anything that innovative. It was a simple power bank, right? A fairly commoditized product that I'm sure many of you already own. Now, one of the things that I've spoken about on this channel before when it comes to getting success on TikTok is that you must try and put a certain spin on your product that makes people, when they see it, think, oh, that's quite innovative, I haven't seen it before, or it's quite cool, again, I've not seen it in the shops before, or it's just priced at such a ridiculous amount that they need to grab it now before that deal disappears. And what I did in this video is I kind of focused on certain areas or certain features of this product that were pretty unique actually. The one thing that this power bank was able to do, or rather the three things that this power bank was able to do that I really honed in on in this video, and I'll walk you through it in a minute, is first of all, it had MagSafe. So as soon as you put an iPhone or a compatible phone on the front of it, you don't need any cables, it just sticks to it and it charges immediately. So it's got that real convenience factor. Second of all, it's got built-in cables. Again, it's got that convenience factor. So when people take it away with them, they don't need to worry about bringing cables. It's literally plug and play, ready to go. And third of all, it's got a stand. Now, if I had just started talking about this product like, oh, it's a power bank, and hadn't really honed in on those particular features, this video wouldn't have done anywhere near as well. So remember, if you are a brand owner and you are looking to achieve success on TikTok, you need to really examine your product and make sure you use ChatGPT to help you. If you know the ideas aren't coming to you naturally, you need to really think about what is it about your particular product and your particular offer that makes you stand out from all of the other products available out there, which customers have already seen. So before I even started to think of different video ideas when promoting this product, I took a step back and I thought, what is it about this product that helps make it unique? And once I thought of those, or once I saw those three different features, I was like, right, whatever video I upload needs to make sure that I clearly talk about those and make it seem like it's a huge benefit that no person can do without. All right, so what we're going to do now is walk through this video step by step, and I'll explain to you why I did what I did, why I said what I said, and so on, in order to get the most effective results for the brand that I was promoting. And if you stay until the end of that part, I am going to show you a website that will literally spoon feed you ideas of any product that you want to promote or any product that you might be selling, so that this just becomes an absolute walk in the park. All right, so first things first, the video starts off and it is very clearly not an ad. I'm not jumping in and showing the product straight away. It is filmed POV, point of view, and I've put like a Snapchat text banner on it. So to the normal user on TikTok, it looks like somebody's filmed a Snapchat and then they just sent it to their friend and uploaded it onto the TikTok platform. So that is the first thing that you absolutely must do. People are generally not on TikTok to shop. They're on there just to chill the hell out. They don't want to be sold to. The moment that they think that it's an ad this early on, defense mode goes up and whatever, they will just skip off straight away. So with all of your content, the vast majority of your content, if you want it to go viral, you really need to make sure that it doesn't feel or look like an ad. And this is something else that I've mentioned in previous videos. TikTok is all about authenticity. It's all about raw, being organic. And it's this type of video that really gels well with the TikTok user, because you can see as it's playing, this just doesn't feel like a corporate video. It doesn't feel polished. It just feels completely authentic, doesn't it? Now, if you'll actually look at what I wrote as well, I did what I like to call the wave hook system. So the wave hook system is 4 different types of hook, aka something that stops the TikTok user and makes hooks them, makes them want to continue watching the video to find out just what the heck is going on. So W in wave is written, the written hook, and this is something that you write down that causes curiosity. So you can see here I've written deal with people like this every day, and then an eye rolling emoji. So that's going to make people watching on TikTok think, deal with what type of people? You know, just making them curious just to know what the heck I'm talking about. A in wave is audio, the audio hook. So a sound that's playing, something that's said. Now, I'll be honest, I don't think that this was kind of the strongest hook ever in all of the videos that I've done on TikTok. But what I would say it was here is somebody saying, excuse me, are you the Uber driver? Like a natural conversation. Okay. Like I say, it's probably not the strongest. It could have been like something slightly different, like maybe me blaring the radio and then turning it down as soon as the person came. But, you know, the beauty about the wave hook system is that if you try your best to do all 4, it doesn't really matter if one of them is weaker than the others, because you've got the other 3 or 2 to really reinforce and act as the strongest form of hook. So the V in the wave hook system is visual, something that you are showing on the screen. And for this, I would say this was super effective for me. This was me basically wearing my Meta Ray-Ban glasses, doing the POV video style. It just, you know, again, it looks quite different when people are scrolling through their feed and they see something moving like that. It just makes it feel very, very organic, authentic. And then the final one is E, emotion. So something that you do within the video within that first 5 to 10 seconds that causes the person to be emotionally invested in what it is that you're about to say, show, or do. And for me, I would say, again, this probably wasn't my strongest, but in the video title, I put full of nutters. So people might be like, what's full of nutters? You know, maybe even just saying, why is he using the word nutter? Who knows? And then again, you know, kind of that text hook that I had, the written hook, deal with people like this every day, and then an eye rolling emoji. It's causing that curiosity, that ambiguity. So the fact that I actually used all 4 types of hook here in this video, that worked really well at causing people to watch for longer, which means that the TikTok algorithm's got more data to go off, and it can therefore find more people that are likely to resonate with your content. So remember, whether you are promoting your own products yourself, or you've got creators to do it for you, you always need to make sure that they are using hooks in their videos. All right, so let's now watch the rest of the video together, which, if you haven't already worked it out, is in the skit style. So this is basically where you are doing top of funnel content and it's just not coming across as an ad at all, and you're trying to act right with a partner or on your own, and gradually, very subtly involve the product until the person has, you know, watched quite a lot of the video and learnt about what it does, and then bam, that's when you kind of reveal that it's an ad and how they can buy it.
You're the Uber driver?
Yeah, I'm an Uber driver, yeah.
My phone's died and I'm not getting into a taxi with a strange man. How do I know that you're the right person?
Well, that's not my problem, is it? What, your phone's run out of battery? Have you not got a charger?
Yeah, I can't check.
So you can see here, it is a little bit corny, isn't it? But what I've done is, this was actually my mum. I got her to say, you know, are you the Uber driver? Obviously I wasn't, I was just sat in a van, and then saying, I'd love to get in, but I've got a problem. My phone's run out, I'm stranded, and you know, I don't really know what to do. So it's kind of introducing that problem to the customer, making them think, or the TikTok viewer, sorry, making them think, oh, that's happened to me before, or oh yeah, what would I do if that happened to me?
Here, I've got a charger here. Use this here.
That looks good.
Yeah, it's like one of these magnetic ones that you get, and then watch this. Here we go.
So you can see here, I very subtly show the product and then I got the person to say, oh wow, that looks good, kind of saying it out loud to make the TikTok viewer think, yeah, I agree with that person. Now, for those of you that are quite eagle-eyed, you will have seen that as I got my phone out, I had a very strange lock screen image. Now, that isn't actually my lock screen. I just put that there as a kind of bit of engagement bait. And that is basically where you put little subtle things in your videos that you want some viewers on TikTok to pick up on and comment. And the reason that you want to do it really subtly is you want the people that do pick up on it and see it to think that they're smarter than everybody else, and therefore, you know, that they've spotted it, nobody else has, and that they want to tell you. So what will often happen, if you look in the comments, you'll see people say, did anyone see that weird lock screen? Or, oh my God, what the hell was that? And so on. It just really helps to increase the amount of comments that you're going to get on your videos, which again increases the amount of engagement on your content and helps the video, like gives the video a better chance of going viral.
Charged. Right, so you can check now. You really should not go out without one of these charger things. They're so cheap these days.
How much are they?
This one's like £12, and look, you've got
Where
like a
did you
nice.
get it from?
Well, let me talk a minute, young lady. You got like a nice little stand. You got all these little cables in the back. It literally charges everything you need. So yeah, I got this one off TikTok Shop. That lasts me a week. So get in the back, love.
All right.
Okay, and then just the final part of the video here where I show the product being used. I put it on, I show the magnetic part, I show my phone getting charged really quickly, and then I say to my mum, you really shouldn't be going out without one of these. Everyone needs to have one. And then she replies, the usual scripted, how much are they? And I say, about a tenner. Wow, that's so cheap. Where'd you get it from? TikTok Shop. You give the call to action and then wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You've done your job at subtly selling. Now, at this point, by the end, what you'll often find is that people know it's an ad. And yeah, you are going to put some people off, but it doesn't matter because you have got a very, very large amount of people through the style that you've just done, the style of video, to watch a huge amount. You've given a lot of data to the TikTok algorithm that's allowed you to go viral, and just through the law of percentages, maths, whatever, you're therefore going to be getting a lot of sales. So I did my job here in the form of I got a shed load of views for the brand, and if you actually look at the video, it got nearly 1.5 million views. Now, just because I've done that or just because you've done that on any video on TikTok, it doesn't mean that you're going to be printing cash. The second component that is really important when it comes to success on TikTok is that the product offer itself needs to be good. So you can't then just charge whatever you want on your TikTok shop, or you can't have a terrible listing. It works very much the same as on Amazon or Shopify. Your images need to be compelling. It needs to basically reiterate what it is that the content creator has said. So it would need to show off all of those features and those benefits that I spoke about and more. And of course, the pricing needs to be good. I said in the video, I was like, this is super cheap, it's a tenner. So if the person then clicks through onto the TikTok shop and sees that it's 20 quid, 30 quid, whatever, they're just not going to buy. So just understand that whether it's you doing videos that go viral or whether it's your content creators, that their job, your job, is to get views and clicks onto your store. And then the second part, the way that you're going to get that golf ball into the hole, is to make sure that your product offer is tip top and it just makes the person think, damn, I need to buy this right now. And that is exactly what I did with the video. I kind of had that urgency, you shouldn't be going out without this product, it's got this and that. And then the second part, product listing, the price was awesome, the listing and the images were congruent with what I was saying, and that's what made the video like a huge success and allowed the brand to generate tens of thousands in revenue. And as you can see from the skit style and all the bait that I was doing, that it really worked. Just look at how many comments we've got. We've even got people arguing amongst themselves about what MagSafe is, saying, you shouldn't be sticking magnetic things onto the back of your phone and so on. It works a treat. All right, so now I'm going to tell you a little secret about that video there. The whole premise of it wasn't actually my idea. I pinched it off another creator in the US, and this is my #1 tip for any brand owner, in fact any content creator that wants to go viral. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Now, if you go to a website called social1.ai, it is going to blow your mind. So Social One is a platform that I use pretty much every single day. It will show you every single TikTok shop video that is going viral right now across every single marketplace in the West. So the UK, the US, Germany, and so on. Now, the most relevant ones for you guys are going to be the UK and US. And I would say if you're in the UK, it's always worth looking at viral videos for similar products in the US and effectively like replicating them. Now, I didn't replicate the video that I found on Social One, but I took the general idea. This is what I did. So I went onto the Social One website. I changed the platform to say US. So I was now being shown all of the US's viral videos. And then here where it says select a product, I think I just typed in MagSafe charger, something like that. I then let it load like this, and I then changed the period to the last 30 days. So I could see all of the videos for similar products that had gone viral in the US. Now, this one here that I've looked at has only got 38,000 views, but when I did it, I think I found an idea that, well, I found a video that had millions of views, and it was very similar. It was a POV style. It was someone sat in the car and somebody coming up to them saying they'd ran out of charge. And then I just kind of took that idea, put my own twist on it, and then bam, it went viral. Now, Social One, without a doubt, is your #1 cheat code to getting seen by millions of people very, very quickly. So like I say, you can search by the specific product, or you can just come into the products tab. You can change it to last 30 days and you can see all of the different products that are currently going viral on TikTok. And what I would do is be looking at all of these different products and different viral videos and seeing if there's any way that you can take the same concepts and apply them to your product videos that you're going to be uploading onto TikTok. And if you click the link in the description, you can get 7 days free and then 50% off your first month. So as I'm sure you can imagine, brands that are on TikTok Shop that understand content creation or have got access to good content creators are absolutely killing it, and they're doing that without having to spend a penny on ads. Right now, organic content can still go viral on TikTok if you know what you're doing, but without a doubt, that is not going to be around forever. TikTok is steadily going the way of Instagram, which is pay to play. More and more brands are going to have to start putting money into ads in order to achieve success on that platform. So timing is critical. If you are not already making content yourself on the TikTok platform, or if you haven't already got content creators making videos for you, you really need to get your skates on. So whether you're an existing brand owner looking to scale to the moon, or you're someone that just wants to create your own brand and break free from the 9-to-5 grind, Honest Brands can help you, and the link to join and link for more details is in the description below. Now, if you do want to skip the queue and have someone else make content for you, then good news, I own Honest Creators, which is a community of over 1,500 trained TikTok Shop affiliates, and guess what, we can start making content for you in as little as a few days. So if that's something that you want to do, if you want help going viral straight away on TikTok and you want other people to make the content for you, then check out the Honest Creators in the link below. That is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.